Hello guys, this is Bella from Suness, the Nigeria battery system integrator with taking over 10 years experience. Today I'd like to introduce our hot-selling EV products. It is 48 volt 15 kWh with taking the top 3 cell like Kato EVE for your optional. First, I'd like to give you a short introduction. First, for the product LCD display. With take the LCD display, you can check from the devices directly. But if you like to check with the phone, you can also download from the App Store and to via Bluetooth to connect it for remote control. And second, for the devices built-in BMS support to communicate with the solar inverter. Our devices can reach up to 21 already, like the Goodway Suness, Mast, Votronic. And the third is for the product service. Our product support 6,000 life cycle, 10 years warranty. It can be used over 20 years. And what's more, our product one unit is 15 kWh. If you want to more capacity, it can be connected up to 16 units. Now, please follow me to check our product with operation. Now, please follow me to open our devices first. And second, you will see the voice and the screen light. First, here is the menu. And first, our devices default with Pioneer protocol. Here, over the more solar inverter brand like the Goodway, Greywords, Votronic. So far, Pioneer, Megawords, Suness, Mast, and more. First, you will see the basic information like volt, current, temperature, cell. For the temperature, you can see for each one. It's 16 units. 没有吗？ And here you can see the SOC and the life cycle. This device doesn't use, so it's 0 here. In here, you will see the warning. Here is the over voltage, under voltage, over temperature, under temperature. So it's normal when the warning is yes. And the second is protection, also the same. Over voltage, under voltage, over temperature, under temperature. Now we are located in our Shenzhen office. Welcome to visit us anytime, anywhere. See you.